Today, I'm actually going to be picking up a bumper. It's a Nismo Bumper V3. It's the OEM. And as you guys know, the prices on this bumper went up so high. It's insane. Who would pay $1,200 for a bumper? They're good looking for sure. So that's why I want him. Found this guy who's selling it for a pretty good, decent deal. So that's why I wanted to, you know, make a jump on it. You know, it is kind of hard to find these bumpers. So, you know, I wasn't in a rush to get it, but you know, he was posting it and I'm like, oh, that's a pretty good deal. He was pretty close to me, so hey, why not, you know? Ooh, damn. So this is the it's a little,
yeah, I just noticed that right here.
Yeah, that's the part that I was talking to you about. Like, I noticed like a little shadow.
Yeah, you see, this is where the SUV climbed up on me. Boom.
Got the Nismo Bumper! Woo! Here it is, boys. The Nismo Bumper. Alright, let me show you guys just the minor things that's wrong with it. Overall, it's in great shape. No chips on the lips. The only issue is, I don't know if you can see right here, he said a truck backed into him, which causes these scratches. It's not too bad. There is a crack right here on the bumper. You can't tell it's there. And on the side of the bumper, just some scratches. I'm excited. I love this. I love the look of this bumper. I was planning on getting the KBD bumper, but I didn't like the fact that it had like a vent over here. I actually like the reflectors, and I have the clear ones, so I'm going to swap out the orange ones. And another great thing is that after seeing this dent in person, I was able to talk it down to another $125. So you guys never gonna believe like how much I got it for. I'm going to clean the bumper just to give a better idea of like what I'm dealing with. They're a little dirty right now, so hopefully I don't find anything else that, you know, any other cracks or anything. Cleaned up all the bumper. It's actually pretty good shape. Besides, you know, these little issues which easily can be filled up with a body filler. This area right here, you can see that little bump right here. So I'm gonna try to use a heat gun, just kind of like push this down. The crack that I showed you guys earlier, this right here, which is right under the bumper, you can't really tell. Same goes for this one. I'm going to use epoxy and just kind of try to glue them together, and it's going to be really strong. But other than that, like even if I were to just go like this, it's not going to, it's quite sturdy. No curb marks, none of that, except for this little imperfection, but you know, it's expected. So the next time you're going to see this is when I'm going to try to remove this emblem and try to fill this up, because I want to leave this empty. I don't want to have the emblem on. It's gonna look so much cleaner. Fill up the holes where the license plate was drilled into before. The guy, he plastic dipped his car, so there's some areas right here where there's still some plastic dip left over that he couldn't remove. So that's the other thing that I'm gonna try to really clean this bumper out. No broken tabs, everything's good. Comes with the bracket. Alright guys, so that is all for today. There isn't really much to this video besides just me picking up this bumper. Just gonna take you to the journey of how I'm gonna repair this and paint them myself. Probably even wrap them in the future. That is the plan, to wrap the entire car. So but I just do want to get this repaired first. Yeah, so I'm excited. So hopefully we're gonna get this project going. And so just make sure to subscribe to us and stay tuned. See you guys.